Welcome to Oblav Tech, where curiosity meets discovery. Dive into a world of surprising facts, untold history, and mind-blowing knowledge. Whether you're a history buff, a trivia lover, or just someone who loves to learn something new every day, you've come to the right place. Get ready to be amazed. Join us on this exciting journey and prepare to have your mind blown with astonishing revelations. Something big is coming. An election like no other, set for Tuesday, November 5th, 2024. But beyond the campaign slogans and promises, there's a hidden truth, a truth that could reshape America. Stick with us because today, we're not just talking candidates, we're revealing what they don't want you to know. And trust me, what you'll discover at the end could change everything. Let's meet the players. First, President Joe Biden. Known for his calls for unity, he's promising a renewed economy driven by clean energy and tax reforms targeting the ultra-wealthy. But behind the scenes, there's a deeper strategy. He's not just campaigning for re-election. He's attempting to redefine America's global role, placing allies above trade wars, stability above confrontation. On the other side, we have former President Donald Trump, a man promising to restore America to greatness once more. His agenda: low taxes, strong borders, and cutting back on regulations. But there's more here. Trump's policies aren't just economic choices. They're a calculated message to his base, reinforcing a vision of America that prioritizes independence over alliances and raw growth over sustainability. But this isn't just about policies. What makes 2024 so different? The stakes have never been higher. Both candidates are facing a nation more divided, with swing states holding unprecedented power: Pennsylvania, Wisconsin, and Florida, where one moment can flip millions of votes. These are the battlegrounds, and both campaigns know it. Their teams are monitoring social media, even personal data, to track every trend, every sentiment, to gain just an inch in the race of inches. What about the hidden consequences? Biden's tax plans may bring relief to many, but critics say they risk slowing down corporate growth. His healthcare expansions are bold, but who pays the bill? And Trump's tax cuts may boost some, but they could lead to deficits and debt, affecting future generations. Each promise has a hidden side, a cost they'd rather not talk about. But the biggest twist? This election isn't just about America. It's about the world. From Beijing to Brussels, from Moscow to Mexico City, the world is watching. A Biden win could mean stronger alliances, but also stricter economic sanctions for rival nations. A Trump comeback might bring trade deals, but also greater unpredictability and potential global shifts that could impact everything from tech to energy markets. Global superpowers are preparing, watching every move. Some even speculate that foreign interference, like hacking and misinformation campaigns, could be back in play, making this election more than just a vote. It's a global spectacle. And the voters, they're caught in the middle. Every promise, every policy, every platform crafted to win them over. But what they may not realize is how much rides on this decision. Each vote is a choice that shapes America, and maybe the world. And now, the truth we promised. The hidden twist in this election. Beneath the candidates, beyond the policies, there's a movement, a growing number of voters, demanding change. They're tired of being pawns in political games, and the numbers suggest something extraordinary. This election could be the one where independent and undecided voters wield unprecedented power, enough to challenge the status quo. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and insignificant in the midst of a political campaign bombarded with promises and policies, unsure of who and what to believe. The truth is, the power lies in the hands of the people, in your hands. Each and every vote has the potential to shape the future of our country, and even the world. This decision is not just about this moment, but about the impact it will have for years to come. But there's a glimmer of hope in this election. A growing movement of voters is demanding change, rejecting the idea of being used as pawns in a political game. The independent and undecided voters, often overlooked in previous elections, are stepping into the spotlight, and their collective voice has the power to challenge the status quo. The power of the people has never been more evident. It's time to recognize the potential impact of each and every vote. This election is not just about choosing between candidates and policies. It's about making a statement. It's about standing up and demanding change, refusing to be mere spectators in the political process. The time has come for the voices of the independent and undecided voters to be heard. The power is in our hands, in your hands. This is the election where your choice matters more than ever. This is the election where change is within your reach. This is the election where the world watches as the people unite to shape the course of history. Thanks for tuning in to Oblev Tech. We hope you enjoyed this video and found the information valuable. Remember, if you want to stay up to date with the latest tech news, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload.